In package piping and skid fabrication, weld quality is not assumed. It is qualified. ASME Section IX defines how welding procedures and welders are qualified. For compressor skids, pump skids, and small bore piping, this is the foundation of fabrication compliance. Where ASME Section IX applies, ASME Section IX governs welding procedure qualification, welder performance qualification, brazing qualification. It applies to ASME B31.3 process piping, pressure vessels, skid-mounted piping assemblies. Section 9 defines how to qualify. B31.3 defines where those qualifications must be used. 3. Qualification Relationship Framework. 3 critical documents form the welding backbone. PQR, Procedure Qualification Record, WPS, Welding Procedure Specification. WQT, WPQ, Welder Qualification Test Hierarchy. PQR is test evidence. WPS is derived instruction. WQT proves individual welder skill. Without PQR, WPS is invalid. Without WQT, welder cannot produce code welds. Welding Procedure Specification, WPS. The WPS is the production welding instruction. It defines base material P number, filler MEF number, welding process, GTW SMAF Gebelder, preheat and interpass temperature, PWHT requirements, joint design, welding position, heat input and current range. Variables are classified as essential, non-essential, supplementary essential. Changes to essential variables require requalification. Procedure Qualification Record, PQR. The PQR is physical proof. It includes test coupon welded under controlled parameters, mechanical test results, tensile strength verification, bend test results, impact testing if required. The PQR records actual parameters used during qualification. Remember, PQR is evidence. WPS is instruction derived from evidence. Welder Qualification Test, WWPQ. WQT proves that a welder can follow the WPS. Qualification covers specific welding process, position range, material thickness range, pipe diameter range, filler metal type. Inspection methods include visual examination, radiography, or UT bend testing. 6G qualification is most powerful. It qualifies for all positions. Real-world example, carbon steel LOS piping material, ASTM A106 grade B. Welding process, GW root SMLW fill and cap, PQR qualified for 3mm to 20mm thickness. Welder must hold qualification for both processes and applicable positions. Procedure and welder qualification must align. Sour service skid requirements. In H2S service, NACE MRO 175 compliance required. Hardness must not exceed 22 HRC. Strict heat input control. Mandatory PWHT verification. Additional hardness testing across weld and AZ. Traceability of filler metal and consumables is critical. Sour service welding is tightly controlled. Qualification ranges and essential variables. Thickness qualification example. Qualifying at 10 mm may cover 5 to 20 mm range depending on code table. Position logic. 6G qualification covers all positions. Essential variable changes requiring requalification include change in P number, change in F number, addition or deletion of process, PWHT change, heat input reduction beyond limit. Supplementary essential variables apply when impact testing is required. Small bore piping risks. Small bore piping presents special challenges. Restricted access, rapid cooling, high defect probability, common defects, incomplete fusion, root cracking, porosity, misalignment. Best practice, GTW root pass, strict fit-up control, preheat where required, 100% RUT in critical service. Small bore failures are common on skids if not controlled. Documentation workflow. Welding workflow sequence. Develop PQR, prepare WPS, qualify welders. Execute fabrication. Compile MRB, manufacturing record book must include PQR copies, WPS copies, welder qualifications, material certificates, NDE reports, PWHT charts. Documentation proves compliance. Now slide common project mistakes using WPS without valid PQR. Expired welder qualification. Changing filler metal without approval. Missing hardness testing in sour service. Uncontrolled WPS revision, poor heat input documentation. Most welding nonconformances are documentation failures, not welding skill failures. Final golden line ASME Section 9 ensures weld quality is proven before production begins, not after failure occurs. Qualification protects equipment integrity before it ever enters service. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more deep technical content on welding codes, API standards, rotating equipment fabrication, and package engineering.